The impact of coronavirus is something we are all facing together. But for some, the thing that makes them more at risk is being Black, gay, bi, lesbian, trans, or intersex. The effects of COVID-19 on the health of racial and ethnic minority groups is still emerging. However, current data suggests a disproportionate burden of illness and death among racial and ethnic minority groups. This includes Black LGBTQI, who are not likely to be counted across the globe. Many Black LGBTQI adolescents are rejected by their families and end up living in the streets. In a recent GBGMC COVID-19 impact survey, 50% of the survey respondents are having problems accessing food, mental health programs, and 60% are having problems accessing HIV prevention services. More than 80% of survey respondents have been affected by criminalization. A whopping 90% of survey response have not received a test for coronavirus. Evidence suggests that COVID-19 pandemic is having disproportionate impacts on marginalized populations across the globe, especially Black LGBTQI people. How our government, donors, and policymakers respond will be seen as a test of the world's fundamental commitment to the right to health and well-being of everyone human. That is why GBGMC is partnering with global LGBTQI CSOs to demand that the UN and other governments intervene with countries that are using COVID-19 to persecute LGBTQI communities. Immediately provide emergency fund for LGBTQI global and community-based organizations to continue to provide the life-saving services that they provide. Where it is not already existing, provide safe housing for LGBT youth who are homeless and cannot practice social distancing. Immediately evaluate and provide safe PPE equipment for community-based organizations. PEPFAR and Global Fund expand their programs to focus more on structural interventions that will help sustain access to health services for LGBTQI communities. At GBGMC, we believe our core issues are at a make or break moment, and we need solution bold enough to meet the greatest challenge of our lifetime and big enough to bring all of us together to get it done. We are not in this together until we are in this together. Join the movement. Share this message.